Hospital now have the chance to experience a piece of the soap opera here in Houston. It's happening this weekend. On Saturday, fans can shop the first ever Deception makeup line, which has been written into the show. A Houston-based small business is behind the product. Take a look at this. We first announced the General Hospital shopping website back in August, where fans can nab real beauty products based on the fictional brand from the show. Shop Home and Heart spokesperson and lifestyle expert Andy Page, who also appears on the show, joins us live this morning to talk about this latest launch. Andy, good morning.
Good morning. I'm so happy to be with you, and we are thrilled to bring this launch party this Saturday to the Houston area. This is not in LA. We are doing it in Houston. And yes, I do play Pearl on General Hospital, which is a huge, honor. And I have a Texas beauty right next to me, Miss Morgan Fairchild. But this party is about celebrating the Houston fans who have been demanding that Deception beauty come to life.
That's what I wanted to ask about. How would a General Hospital go about making this Deception makeup debut a fiction to a reality?
Yes, this has been a project that's been in the works for years, and it's all thanks to, Texas, a Texas girl, Miss Beth Cochran, a part of Knocking, which they're an e-commerce and content creator that works with media. So Beth and Sergio Escalano, who is the founder of ArtOnlt, which is a local cosmetic company, as well as the incredible makeup artists that are a part of General Hospital, Emmy-winning makeup artist, and of course the executive producer, Frank Valentini, they have all collaborated to bring Deception beauty to life for the fans. And this launch party this Saturday, taking place at the Olive Tree Mediterranean Grill in Pasadena, it's going to be from 6 to 10. This launch party is about the very first product, which is a cream dabber that is for eyes, lips, and cheeks, or I should say eyes, cheeks, and lips. And it is based on 5 of your favorite characters. And so at the party, we're celebrating this launch as well as other products that you can find at shophomeandheart.com, like the Deceptor red light therapy wand, as well as handbags and jewelry, and all of the things that the fans have been demanding for years. Products and things that they have seen on their favorite characters are now coming to life. And this launch party, again, at the Olive Tree, is going to be an incredible celebration of the Texas-sized effort that it's taken to bring all of this Texas, talent to life for the fans of General Hospital.
Yeah, the idea for this is just brilliant. It sounds so fun for the viewers. So tell us, what have you heard from them about this makeup brand and the fact that we're debuting it right here in the Houston area?
Well, I have to say, the fans have wanted this. The Deception beauty line has been a part, or I should say the Deception storyline has been a part of, coming into homes for over 3 decades. So the fans have watched from conception to development a lot of these products, and they've been saying that they would love to have them, be real. And Deception is now real. So the fan response has been amazing. That's what this party is. It's a celebration really for the fans, acknowledging that, General Hospital has listened, and now it's available, all again thanks to Sergio. And at the party, you're going to see, Sergio do demonstrations. So ArtOnlt, again, the cosmetic company behind all of this, is a Houston-based company. And so they're going to be doing demonstrations, there's going to be product giveaways, and also there's going to be talent at this party. Tony Henry, who's a local artist, is going to be the entertainment. There's going to be food and fun, giveaways, everything you can imagine to help the fans really celebrate in a way that's unique and different, and it's bringing everything that they've wanted to life.
Now, Andy, we mentioned that you also star in General Hospital. So while I have you, tell us a little bit about your role.
I am thrilled to be a part of this legacy brand. This is the longest running show in television history. So the fact that I am now a part of it is unbelievable. And I play a home shopping host right next to Morgan Fairchild. And when these incredible products are available for consumer consumption, they're brought to the fictional Home and Heart, and then they're available for sale at shophomeandheart.com. So you're going to be able to find Deception Color, again, which is this latest product from ArtOnlt, but Deception Color eyes, cheeks and lips, again, comes in 5 colors, and it's based off the characters. So that's one of the products that you can find at shophomeandheart.com, as well as the Deceptor red light therapy wand and handbags and jewelry that you have watched your favorite characters enjoy within the show. So shophomeandheart.com is really a celebration of everything that the fans have wanted for years. And it's a very unique experience that you can enjoy. It is fan-based, and now the fans can enjoy and participate in the show on a whole other level.
Sounds really exciting. The event coming up this Saturday here in the Houston area. Thank you so much for joining us and for providing all of that information.
I'm grateful that we're getting the word out. Again, this is for the fans. Thank you so much, Brianna.
You're welcome. All right, Houston, I do want to give you another live look outside. We're going to take a quick break at 8:50 on your Thursday morning.